Hi friends, today we are starting exercise number 6.3. In that 6.3, first one, find the value of the unknown x in the following diagram. Find the value of the x in unknown diagram. Here first one given question. The diagram is given this type. By angle sum property, angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degree. Here 2 degree given already. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That means A, B and C given but A not given. Angle A we don't know the angle. Angle B 50 degree and angle C 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Add it, 50 plus 60, 110 degree and 180 degree. Angle A is equal to, it is minus having, it is right hand, left hand to right hand coming, 180 degree minus 110 degree. Angle A, angle A is equal to 70 degree. This is the answer. Same as it is second one. Look at the picture. In that second one, 30 degree given, PQR. In that Q is the 30 degree, P not given, and RX, that means R plus angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. Okay, we know that the sum of the angles, angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, angle R we don't know. Angle P, look at the right angle triangle, that means 90 degree. The shape, the type given means that is ourselves we are understanding, that is the 90 degree plus Q 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Add it, 90 plus 30, 120. R, angle R plus 100 and 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. It is to left hand side to right hand side coming, R is equal to, angle R is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Angle R is equal to 60 degree. This is the answer. Fourth one. In that fourth one, understood? The triangle given there, I am drawing here triangle roughly 50 degree x x. You know that A, for example, I am giving this name ABC. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, that means angle sum properties of a triangle is how much? Of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle, but here given only one angle, two angle we are finding here, that is we are writing here angle X, that means angle B, angle X, that means angle C, angle A, angle A means 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. X plus X, 2X plus angle 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. That means 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. 180 degree minus 50 degree. After 180 minus 50, 130 degree. X here 2 having it is multiplication. In multiplication it is right hand to left hand side coming. It is division. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 10. That means 10 means 65 degree. X is equal to 65 degree. Answer is this. The 6.3 second one, main second main. In that second main first one. Second main first one. In that second one, first one, second main first one. Here picture given. I am roughly drawing here picture. The beside here. This type given. It is the exterior 120, interior y given here, x given here 50 degree given. Exterior given. We are solved this one in that already solved. Where? In that exercise number 6.2. Same as it is here also. X plus 50 degree is equal to 120 degree by the exterior angle property of a triangle. That means x is equal to 120 degree minus 50 degree is equal right hand to left hand side coming. X is equal to 70 degree. We found the x value, that is the 70 degree. We can find this one. Why? Use the same formula here. What? Angle A, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A how much? 50 degree we are taking here. Angle B how much? 70 degree. Angle C we are finding 180 degree. What it is? Angle sum property. What it is? Angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degree. Is 180. Angle 120 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. It is left hand to right hand side coming, means angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. C is equal to 60 degree. C is equal to 60 degree. That means x value how much? X is equal to 70 degree and y value is 60 degree. This is the answer. Second main, second one. Look at the picture there. Exterior angle given. Same method here also use. 50 degree plus x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, that means y is equal to 80 degree. Why? Here exterior angle given, but we are taking y is equal to 80 degree. Why? It is vertical opposite. Vertically opposite angle. Understood? That means we are found the y. Here 50 degree plus 80 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. 50 plus 80, 130 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to angle x is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. Angle x is equal to 50 degree. That means we are found here angle y is equal to 80 degree, angle x is equal to 50 degree. This is the answer. Same exercise, sixth one, little bit different one it is. Same exercise, sixth one, figure given here. Roughly I am drawing here beside. Here y given, here x, x, x. This is the vertical opposite. Angle y and angle x are vertically opposite angles. Same as it is here also. Here also x coming, here also x coming. That means here inside we are finding here 2x. How it is coming 2x? X angle x plus angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. Angle y means what? X. That means 2x plus angle x. What happened? Here x angle x means angle y is equal to 180 degree. 3x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 degree divided by 3. 3 1 the 3 6 the. X is equal to 60 degree. That means here also 60 degree, here also 60 degree, this one also 60 degree, this one also 60, 60, 60 degree. I think you are understood very well.